Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these kids kitchen set that I got sent out to review. We got some help here to review these. What do you have here? So, we have like a kind of a knife, wooden knife. This is
we have a bear cookie thing.
This is another knife.
This is a broom, and it looks cute though. And these, they're little forks, mini forks. Those are cookie makers. And these are their more knives. And there's something scissors.
Right.
And these are little spoons. And the mixer.
We have these cutting tables. We have 3 of them. Red, green,
and yellow. They might be in different colors too.
Okay. We have some measurement spoons. This is a pincher.
Ooh. It's a mini knife for kids. So I think we have these things to dress up like chefs. There we go. This is made out of... Whoa, let's check out the broom.
Do you like the colors?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so we have some measurement spoons. We have these that it's to make sandwiches out of this shape.
Or cook kitchen.
This is to clean up. This is also careful because they're cookie cutters, these ones, or fruit cutters as well.
We can also a bear, a heart, a star, and a flower. We can also use them to make sandwiches.
Got a couple of each, right?
And we also have these knives that are in different colors.
Okay.
And each one gets tinier. So
look
like
at this one.
So like we have the biggest one, this green one.
Okay.
The second biggest one, which is like teal.
Can you cut your hand with these ones?
No.
No.
They're not sharp for you to cut yourself?
Wow,
No.
this is awesome.
If I touch it with my hand, no cuts.
Very cool.
Chop some apple maybe?
Yeah.
Apple? Yeah.
Okay, so now let's start by using these cutters. Let's use these cutters with the cheese. Is it difficult to use?
No, it's not difficult, but I like the shape of this one. It looks like Mickey Mouse.
Whoa, I did it.
Nice.
Okay,
And it's very easy to cut.
Push it in or what?
You
can eat that one with that shape now.
Now let's try this flower one.
Can I eat it? Now I'm trying the heart one because I love hearts.
Me too.
I think these you can use them to push it in. I think you can push them from here.
Let's continue by peeling an apple.
An apple.
Eli, can you help us peeling this apple? And this way, your kids can start practicing how to cut their fruits and vegetables and also how to peel it and how to measure their for some baking and how to mix with these, and everything is much more safe with these. Now, can you cut a piece of the apple with this knife, please?
Whoa, that was awesome. I just like this piece.
And it gives you like a wavy shape right here. Now, Becky, can you make some shapes out of this piece of apple?
Yeah, we just did a heart. I'm just gonna take this heart off.
I can twist it. It's a flower. I kind of like the shape of these.
So you have these, you have the cutting tables, you have the cutting.
This is a heart.
Muy bien. Eso.
I'm just gonna quickly cut this.
So, do you like this kids kitchen set?
Yes.
This kids kitchen set, it is really complete. It has that tables, it has these parts as well. It has a lot of different types of knives that you can use with your kiddos. And also you have these peelers so they can start getting familiar with the process of cutting and peeling. And also it has a little forks that they can take for their school for lunch boxes. And also it has a mixer right here and some measurement spoons. And this is also very fun because they can make shapes out of their sandwiches or maybe use it as a cookie cutter as well. These cookie cutter have been so fun for them because they can make out shapes out of their fruits, sandwiches, maybe some nuggets, and it has been really nice to work with.